Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Lutron dimmer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in creating the perfect ambience for any room, offering unparalleled control over your lighting environment and significantly impacting the mood and functionality of your living space, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences with just a simple touch or voice command, making it a truly indispensable addition to any modern smart home setup. Number 5. Lutron Caseta Original Smart Dimmer Switch PD, 6WCL-WH. Transform your existing lights and fixtures into a smart dimmer system with just one switch. It works with your current bulbs, making smart lighting simple and accessible. This smart switch offers unparalleled compatibility, connecting seamlessly with popular platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and more. A Lutron hub is required for full functionality. Experience ultra-fast and stable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi dimmers. It works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable smart lighting control. Manage your lighting remotely using the Lutron app. Create custom scenes, set schedules, and use features like geofencing for complete smart home automation. A Lutron hub is required. Designed to blend seamlessly with your existing decor, this dimmer switch offers a premium look and feel. Enjoy a sophisticated smart lighting experience. Easily create a wireless switch location without new wiring. It's perfect for setting up three-way switch configurations, even in places without existing switch boxes. Use the optional Pico remote to wirelessly control your smart dimmer devices from anywhere. Set up a wireless light switch or a three-way system with ease. What we like. This is the original smart dimmer switch that doesn't require a neutral wire, making installation a breeze. It works with your existing dimmable bulbs, so you don't need to buy new ones. If you're looking for a versatile smart dimmer that integrates seamlessly with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and more, this is a fantastic choice for a wide range of homes. What people say. The dimmer works perfectly with my LED bulbs, providing smooth and flicker-free dimming. Installation was straightforward, and the design is sleek and modern, blending well with my home decor. Number 4. Lutron Caseta 3-Way Smart Dimmer Light Switch Kit. Easily add a new light switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere you want to control the lights. It blends seamlessly with your existing decor. This smart switch connects with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home. It's one of the most compatible smart switches available, ensuring seamless integration. Experience ultra-fast and reliable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi. Our system works without Wi-Fi, providing dependable smart lighting control you can count on. Manage your smart lights from anywhere using the intuitive app. Create custom scenes, set schedules, and use features like geofencing for complete home automation. The dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that complements your existing decor. It offers a premium dimming experience while blending in with other switches. Use the included remote to wirelessly control your smart dimmer switch devices from anywhere in the room. Mount it conveniently on the wall or keep it on a table. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in as little as 15 minutes. No neutral wire is required, making it accessible for most homes. What we like. This kit is perfect for adding a new switch location almost anywhere in your home, quickly and easily. It comes with everything you need, including a Pico remote, for a complete setup in under 15 minutes. If you need to add a three-way switch functionality without complex wiring or want a simple, all-in-one smart dimmer solution, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The dimmer switch works perfectly and was easy to install. I love the sleek design of this dimmer switch, it looks great in my living room. The adjustable brightness levels are fantastic, allowing me to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer. Meet the Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer, a versatile solution for controlling your lighting. It's designed to work seamlessly with your floor and table lamps, bringing smart control to your home. You can control your lights through the intuitive app, voice commands, or a wall switch. Easily create schedules, dim lights to the perfect level, or activate custom lighting scenes. This smart dimmer connects with more leading smart home devices than any other brand. It integrates seamlessly with popular ecosystems like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. Ensure your home is always welcoming with its Smart Away feature. It randomly turns lights on and off, creating the illusion that someone is home, even when you're away. This plug-in dimmer is part of a wider system. You can easily expand your smart lighting capabilities with other compatible Lutron Caseta products. It comes with a wireless remote for convenient on-off and dimming control from anywhere in the room. Enjoy flexible control without being tied to a switch. Make multiple lamps smart at once, even with your existing bulbs. It offers smart control for dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, saving you money and hassle. What we like. This plug-in dimmer is the ultimate solution for making your floor and table lamps smart without any complex wiring. It offers flexible control through the app, voice commands, or the included Pico remote. If you have dimmable lamps and want an easy way to add smart lighting control to them, this is the perfect option. What people say. The dimmer switch is easy to install and works perfectly with my LED bulbs, providing smooth dimming without any flicker. I love the sleek design of this dimmer. It looks very modern and high-end on my wall. The operation is also very intuitive. Number 2. Lutron Diva LED Plus Dimmer DVCL 153p WH. Experience the gold standard in dimming with Lutron's advanced technology. It provides smooth LED dimming, reducing flicker and buzz for enhanced comfort and consistent reliability. This advanced dimmer delivers smooth, stable dimming for compatible LED bulbs. It's designed for use in various residential spaces like living rooms and bedrooms. Fine-tune your lighting with our patented precision dimming. An easy-to-use lever allows for precise brightness control, enhancing lighting flexibility. Enjoy convenience and flexibility with control from 1 or 2 locations. It supports both single-pole and 3-way setups for your home. This iconic dimmer style is widely recognized and complements existing paddle switches. It enhances room aesthetics with a clean, uniform appearance. It's versatile for various fixture types, including recessed lights and chandeliers. Perfect for creating adjustable lighting in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Designed for easy lighting upgrades and installations. It's perfect for dimmable LED bulbs in any residential space. What we like. This dimmer offers the gold standard in dimming performance with advanced technology for smooth, flicker-free light. Its iconic paddle design is a classic choice that complements any home decor. If you prioritize superior, reliable dimming for your LED lights and appreciate a timeless aesthetic, this is the dimmer for you. What people say. The dimmer switch is easy to install and works perfectly with my LED bulbs. I love the sleek design of this dimmer, it looks great on my wall. The smooth dimming action is a nice feature, allowing for precise light control. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Experience ultra-fast and reliable smart lighting control. Our system works without Wi-Fi, ensuring dependable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. Add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere you want to control the lights. Enjoy ultra-fast and stable performance with our Smart Hub, which operates independently of Wi-Fi for dependable smart lighting. Manage your lighting remotely using the app. Create scenes, set schedules, and use features like geofencing for complete smart home automation. Our dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that blends perfectly with your existing switches, offering a premium smart home experience. This system connects with major smart home platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, making it one of the most compatible options available. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming for your LED lights. We work closely with manufacturers to ensure the best compatibility and performance. What we like. This deluxe kit provides everything you need to get started with a robust smart lighting system, including 2 dimmers and the essential Smart Hub. It offers reliable performance and broad compatibility with major smart home ecosystems. If you're looking to outfit multiple rooms with smart lighting or want a comprehensive, easy-to-install smart home starter package, this kit is an excellent value. What people say. The dimmer works perfectly with my LED bulbs, providing smooth and flicker-free dimming. Installation was straightforward, and the design is sleek and modern, blending well with my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.